What's up, world? Another food review. Nightingale Chocolate Blackout. These Nightingale ice creams, Richmond, Virginia. Made in Richmond, Virginia. I think I've seen a story where they just got put into the Kroger's. If they have those near you, you should check them out. So Chocolate Blackout, chocolate brownie, cookie, and chocolate ganache swirl ice cream swirled with chocolate cake pieces. These things are big. They are big. All right. Looks like somebody took a bite out the corner. And sealed very well. Whoa. Man. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. These things are huge. How big a piece you want to have? All right, she wants half of this one. Miss Casey. They are looking delicious. One bite, you know the rules. Like that one?
This one and the Cookie Monster are my two favorites.
You like chocolate and brownie? This is the one. All right, y'all. Not much left of the wrapper. Nightingale Ice Cream. Check them out. You can order them online.